Hi, my name is Jenny Umali, and let's do aura healing today. Begin with breathworks. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Allow your body to soften. Allow your mind to quiet. You are safe, held, and supported in this space. Now gently bring your awareness to the space around your body. This is your aura, your energetic field. It holds your emotions, your energy, and sometimes even other people's energy. Let's begin to cleanse it now. Visualize a soft, radiant light descending from above, pure, high frequency energy, entering the top of your head and flowing down through your body. As this light expands, imagine it pushing out anything heavy, dense, or not yours. It's gently sweeping through your aura like a waterfall of light. You may see colors, feel warmth, or sense energy shifting. Trust what you feel. Your energy knows exactly what to release. Now breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, whisper silently or aloud. I release all energies that are not mine. I call all parts of my energy back to me. I am whole, I am clear, I am aligned. Feel your aura recalibrating, strengthening, rebuilding its natural glow. It now radiates a brilliant shield of light around you. This is your sacred space, your energetic boundary, your divine power. You are protected, you are grounded, you are aligned. As I place my hands on top of your head, and as we begin to close, take a few more deep breaths, allow your energy to fully settle. Know that your aura has been cleared, strengthened, and restored. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes. You are light. You are whole. You are protected. I am sending you love, light, healing, and abundance. Bye!